皆さん、こんにちは。Yuki here. In this video, I'm going to go over vocabulary with example sentences for N5. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's get started. The first word. 頼む。頼む。To ask, to request. 彼女は彼に何かを頼んでいます。彼女は彼に何かを頼んでいます。She is asking something to him. So 彼女は she is 彼に to him 何かを something 頼んでいます。asking. So she is asking something to him. Alright, next example sentence. バーガーとフライドポテトを頼みました。バーガーとフライドポテトを頼みました。I ordered a burger and French fries. Right, so 頼む also can mean order. And that's something useful to remember because when you go to Japan, for example, you go to a restaurant and you might have to order something. And then you have to explain that to someone else. Never know. Alright, so burger. Burger. That's burger, hamburgers. And then, と and フライドポテト。フライドポテト。That means fried potatoes. So that's French fries. ね、頼みました。ordered. Next word. 多分。多分。probably likely. 多分、すぐに雨が降るでしょう。多分、すぐに雨が降るでしょう。It'll probably start raining soon. Right, so 多分 that means probably. ね、すぐに soon 雨 rain 雨が降る raining. But in this case 雨が降るでしょう talking about, future. So this means 雨が降る that means start raining soon. And でしょう that means like you're talking about the future and probably happens. So 多分でしょう kind of often comes together. Alright. Next example sentence. 多分仕事は明日まで終わらないだろう。多分仕事は明日まで終わらないだろう。The work probably won't be done until tomorrow. Right, so 多分 probably 仕事は the work 明日まで until tomorrow 終わらない won't be done だろう。So again here, it's like でしょう but more casual way だろう means, probably, possibly, would be, like would be or will be. So that's something that you're thinking about the future that can possibly happen or not happen, right? 多分だろう can be used often. Alright, 多分仕事は明日まで終わらないだろう. The work probably won't be done till tomorrow. だんだん gradually, little by little. Right, so だん that means step. So だんだん means step by step, little by little, gradually. Do you know Dragon Ball GT? GT is the next series after Dragon Ball Z. And the opening of the Dragon Ball Z is called だんだん心惹かれてく。だんだん心惹かれてく。And this is actually the first sentence of the song. Right? So だんだん that means gradually, step by step. 心 means heart. 惹かれてく。引く that means pull. For example, ドアを引く。You pull the door. 惹かれてく that means being pulled or being attracted. そう、だんだん心惹かれてく。That means gradually my heart gets attracted. So if you're interested, please listen to the song and you will recognize the first part of the song. This is not the full sentence. So let's go to the next slide. Alright, next part is その眩しい笑顔に。その that 眩しい blinding 笑顔 that means smile に to. So that's the full sentence, the first sentence of the song. だんだん心惹かれてくその眩しい笑顔に。Gradually my heart getting attracted to that blinding smile. Alright, next example sentence. 物の値段がだんだん上がっている。物の値段がだんだん上がっている。Prices of things are gradually increasing. Inflation. So, 物 that means things. 値段 that means price. だんだん gradually 上がっている rising. Right, so 物の値段がだんだん上がっている。Price of things are gradually rising. Alright, next word. 近い近い near, close by. 彼女たちの年は近い。彼女たちの年は近い。Their ages are close. 彼女たちの their 年 means age. What? So that's the subject. Her ages are 近い。close. Right, 彼女たちの年は近い。Their ages are close. Next example sentence. ここから学校まではとても近いです。ここから学校まではとても近いです。Right, it's very close from here to the school. Okay, ここから。ここ is here. ここから means from here. 学校まで。学校 that's school. 学校まで means to the school. Until the school. とても very 近いです。close. It's very close. Alright. Next word. 違う。違う。to differ, to be wrong. N5 と N4 はレベルが違う。N5 と N4 はレベルが違う。Right, so N5 and N4 are different levels. You might think it's stating obvious, but レベルが違う. That, also means like, oh, they're totally different levels. Like maybe you want to highlight the difference sometimes, and you can use in that way too. N5 と N4, N5 and N4, レベル levels が違う different. Okay, N5 and N4 are different levels. Next word. この花だけ色が違う。この花だけ色が違う。Only this flower has a different color. Okay, so この花 this flower だけ only 色 color が違う different. So この花だけ色が違う Only this flower has a different color. Alright, today's quiz. Translate these sentences into Japanese using what you learned today. Number 1, he probably won't come here. Number 2, is your house close? Number 3, ramen and soba are different. And I will leave the example answers in the description. Alright, that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. またね